Hello and welcome back. Today in this video you're going to learn how to backup your WordPress website for free, and I will also show you how you can schedule an auto backup on daily, weekly or monthly basis, and then how you can store that backup on one of your online storages like G Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox and so on. So this is the website to which we will add the backup functionality, and let's see how we can do this. For that, just log into your WordPress dashboard. Then go to plugins and click add new, and here search for updraftplus, and you will see this plugin updraftplus WordPress backup plugin, which have 3+ million active installations. So just install and activate this, and once you activate the plugin you will be able to see a new menu under settings which is updraftplus. Just click on this. This will take you to its dashboard where you can start your WordPress website backup. But before that, let's see the storage options. So for that, you can go to settings, and here we have these options where we can store our backup file, and the method is pretty much the same. I'll do one for you and you can do the same for all of these. In my case, I'll choose Google Drive, and you can choose any of these. So if I click this will open this thing where I can sign in with my Google account. So I'll click this. We can leave this page, and here we will choose our Gmail, and we'll click allow, and then just click on complete setup, and this will take you back to the WordPress dashboard, and now you can start your WordPress backup here. So just click on this, and here you can include your database and include your files. We need a complete backup, so we will check both, and we'll click backup now, and this will start the backup process, which will take some time. So let's wait for this, and once it finished you will see a backup under existing backups which you can restore anytime. So this was how you can take a manual backup of your WordPress website. Now if you want to take an auto backup on daily, weekly and hourly basis, then you can just go to settings, and here instead of manual you can select every 2 hours, 4 hours, daily, weekly or monthly basis. So this is dependent on you, that after how much time you need a backup of your WordPress website. In case you are running an e-commerce store, you are selling products, then I'll suggest to use 2 hours or 4 hours. And if you have a blog in which you write articles on weekly or daily basis, you can select that according to your need. So you can pick an option according to your need. I'll choose weekly, and also for the database we'll choose weekly. And then how many copies you want to keep and retain in your storage. So you can select 3, 4 or 5, and according to the number you put here, this plugin will keep the latest 4 backups. So in my case I'll choose 2, which is fine. I just want to have 2 recent backups. Then you can scroll down. Here you can include and exclude things like you don't want to backup your plugins, themes or uploads. You can select them, and here you can include, exclude directories if you want. You can remove these from here, and here you can check this option if you need a notification on your email, and then you can click on save changes. And that's it. Now we will have a weekly backup, and this will retain 2 copies. And all other options are for advanced user. You don't have to check these, and you can also go to the pro version and you can read more about this plugin. And you can also migrate or clone your WordPress website using this plugin. So this was how you can take a backup of your WordPress website for free, and then you can schedule backup to your online storages. So I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next